Moin Leute! Heute begrüßen wir euch aus Tilburg in Holland. Wir sind zu Besuch bei Vulcan Vuurwerk und wir wurden eingeladen von Stefan. Hi Stefan!
Hey!
Und was machen wir heute?
Genau, heute sind wir hier, schauen uns mal das Gelände an. Sieht sehr vielversprechend aus, genauso wie die ganzen Sachen, die hier rumstehen. Wir haben hier richtig schöne Batterien, kleine, große, und wir schauen einfach mal.
Wir werden ein paar Fragen stellen und
Great.
Lass uns laufen. Viel Spaß!
Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet place. To be everywhere, to be without a care. I was denied.
Welcome at Vulcan. My name is Stefan, and I like to tell you something about us. We are founded in 1974 in China. We have our roots in China as well our factories, and we just set foot for 5 years here in Europe. And it's very nice to meet you all, and thanks for the guys for being here, and I hope you enjoyed the show.
Thank you. Now the first question, what do you have planned, or what do you want to sell on the German market?
We like to sell everything, of course. That will be the most important thing.
Yeah.
But to be honest, everything you see here in the back, that's possible on the German market.
Okay.
We really like to collect special things, so we have a wide variety of things we can show in the German market. Of course, we still have to listen to people what they would like, but this is a little sneak peek of what you can expect of us. We have, they call it batterien, huh?
Yeah,
This one's
a lot of batteries.
Yeah. That's really our specialty, I think. We have assortments, also like this in a box.
Very big. Yeah.
Yeah, very big assortments. And actually, we have the smaller ones you can buy separately.
Yeah, with nice names. Wake up call.
Wake up call. Happy Dragon Eggs. That's a small
Dragon
one.
Egg. Yeah, for Easter.
For
Very
Easter.
nice.
Maybe you get a sneak preview because that's Cat 1.
Yeah. Nice.
So maybe you can check it out outside in a moment.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. And what's this? This is one shot. Mine attack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a silver titanium fountain, actually, and I can maybe show you in the video.
It's
what it would do.
cat 2. Yeah.
It's cat 2. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Unfortunately, yes. It's very beautiful, and I can show you in the video maybe.
And these are boxes, which these batteries are in these boxes.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
We have the assortment. We call that, and this is just a demo. It's a sneak preview. We still are fine-tuning it, but this is the concept. Soul crushers. We have 8 boxes, so 8 cakes in this box, and you already see it's in the German language on it.
Yeah.
So we already put it a little bit the German sauce over it.
It's special for the German market.
Especially for the German market, correct? And
Very nice design.
thank you. The cakes that are in it are these ones.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
These 8 cakes are included. Like here, 16 shoes, caliber 25, and you get a hell of a bang.
16 Schuss, Kaliber 25.
Yep.
Sehr nice. Poltergeist.
Yeah. These are the first batches. This is actually the demos. So no worries, the label's gonna be much nicer, but that's always version 1.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. And we also have, of course, this ones, we call it the bad boys. It's 12 cake assortment. You get it in one complete box also. And that's the second box we got here. That's this box.
All right.
Also already with the German text on it.
Bad boys. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
These are smaller cakes, but they have a really good punch. So I'm really curious what you think about it.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, that's a...
It's just a dummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Headlock. Yeah, nice. Okay. All right. So Leute, jetzt testen wir mal die Happy Easter. Ui, ziemlich windig in Holland. Und unseren Gasbrenner haben wir auch nicht dabei. Now. Great.
Cool.
Happy Easter. Ja, das Ganze Cut 1. Wunderschön. Great.
So the next question is, do we have Pyromod batteries?
Yes, we do have them. We have a couple of them actually, also for the German market.
Okay.
Very important, of course. We have the first one, Freaky Friday, 36 shots, cake.
Looks very nice.
Freaky Friday.
Freaky Friday, yeah. And we also have over there in the corner, we have 12 o'clock. That's also a pyro mold. It's a slightly bigger cake. And here on the top, the Ready to Rumble. A new addition to the family. So those three are definitely coming to the German market
Okay.
as a pyro mold.
That's very nice.
Do you have some pictures of the production in China or something like this?
Yeah, actually we do.
Okay.
No problem, no. I can show you.
Okay, then we gonna show you this in this video.
Was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap, you must recognize the person that's inside. The person that's inside.
And the next question, what are the reasons of the name and your inspiration of these designs?
Yeah, it's a very good question actually. Well, I made this one myself. Yeah, I chose for the Soul Crushers because, or actually we chose because we do it as a team. We sit together, we brainstorm, we look at the videos. And first of all, it's maybe, it sounds crazy, but it's also a feeling. And this had more the vibe of really powerful, just like the Freaky Friday. And we like to be more theme based. So
Okay.
that's why I thought more towards the Freaky Friday, and this would be more in line with Freaky Friday. So I thought, yeah, it needs to be loud, needs to be hard, needs to be a good cake and an assortment that will crush your soul. So
Yeah.
that's why I made up this name. So
Great, nice. I like this design. So no, nice. Yeah.
thanks. Thank you.
Okay, das war's mit dem Interview. Es war ziemlich cool, es war ein absolut geiler Tag. War cool, dass wir hier sein durften.
Auf jeden Fall.
Ja, dann thank you for the interview.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you for
Yeah,
inviting. It was a very nice trip here in Tilburg.
Yeah, very nice, man. And also thank you for letting me show you around the products and stuff. And maybe it's nice if I can already invite you for next time to come with me and our crew to Germany, to Alphen, where we shoot fireworks to test it.
Great, yeah.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
That would be nice, yeah.
Okay, good. We'll be in touch then.
Yeah, thank you very
Nice.
much.
You're welcome. Thanks,
Thanks.
man. And have a nice trip back.
Haut rein, Leute, bis zum nächsten Video.
Richtig geiler Scheiß. Es eskaliert.